Hi and welcome back. In this video I will be making a cat's head. What's a cat's head, maybe you think? Well, it's called a cat's head, and why it's called that I don't know, but that's the way it is. I'm gonna turn down this outer face so I get a nice face, and then chop it off right here. And this square stock is also a part of the game, and later on the video I will show you how I'm going to use it, and well, let's get started. Well, I think that is good enough. Alright, time to chop this off then. We'll see how it goes. Well, I did get too much shatter when I tried to part this off in the lathe, so I just took the angle grinder and cut it off. Now I'm going to face this. Okay. All right. Okay, I got the tube in the vise, and now I'm going to center drill it and then drill with this 6.8 millimeters drill bit, and then tap it with M8. Okay. think it works a lot better if you use an M8 tap and not a M6 tap. Okay, some more holes to drill and tap, and here we have the finished cat's head. And these screws are M8, but I made a little change. And these hex heads here are 10 millimeters now, but they was 13 millimeters, but I milled down this so they will take up lesser space. So how does it work then? Well, let's see. We try it. And now this square stock will be in the video too. So here's the setup and the purpose of using a cat's head in order to machine a square stock like this. And this square stock isn't straight, it's a little bit bent. You can see it here. Anyways, we are now able to face this and centerboard it, and that's what we're going to do. We'll try another tool. A little bit higher speed. I think we crank up the speed a little bit more. Okay, and there you have it. First I dialed in this square stock in this 4-yaw chuck, and then I dialed in this cat's head, both on this side and on the other side. And then we could center drill and start turning it. Well, I hope that this video of making a cat's head and how to use it has been to any good. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I catch you on the next one. Bye bye.